So good morning everyone. I am Nancy Gupta and here today I would like to tell you about the where you should invest. So there are 12 best alternative investments. The option to consider today. A great way to diversify your cash is to potential investment money in alternative investment. So typically when you put your money to work, you will start with traditional investing like the stock market. However, at some point you may be generating more income and you want to diversify your cash further. So, what is an alternative investment? So, if you already are familiar with the alternative investment definition, then feel free to skip ahead. But if this term is a brand new to you, then this section is for you. So, alternative investment is anything you can't invest in current through traditional or the stock market. So, anything that falls into stocks, bonds, and cash would not be considered in alternative investment. So list of alternative investment. There are top 7 alternative investment you can invest and earn higher return. So yes, this post is titled 12 of the best alternative investment, but these 7 are what I would consider the most popular and common option. So in this section, after I will brief you cover the ones that are not as common or popular. So that first is physical real estate. The most common alternative investment is investing in physical properties. The goal being is to either rent or flip the properties to generate income. Second is real estate crowdfunding. Another option for real estate investing is to diversify your money in a crowdfunding platform. So this option have become really popular over the years and allow you to invest in properties without the hassle of physical owning or fixing properties. So invest in real estate also you can, and some platform you will have to be in a accredited investor to gain access. So other you don't, but there are many options to choose from. Here I will tell you the options. So first is diversify fund. You can invest in diversify fund, ground floor fund, and Fundrise. Fundrise you can also invest in Fundrise, Peer Trade, and the fine art. So you can also invest your money in fine art in current scenario. So investing in a art has been around for a while, but can be pretty difficult to get involved with. So originally you would either need $1 million to purchase well-known art, take a risk on up and comes and hope they can traction, or be an accredited investor and pool money into an art fund. So invested guys. And fourth is peer-to-peer lending. So another alternative investment is peer-to-peer lending, that is also known as P2P lending. So this investment allow you to loan money to another person, and you can also invest in your online business. You don't need to buy shops, and you can earn a higher profit, that is your own online business. So another great way or alternative investment is starting your own online business. One of the best things you can do is to invest in yourself. Of course, there are no guarantee of your business success, but if you have the entrepreneurial drive, it can pay you a dividend for years. Seventh is sixth is your online business, and the sixth is commodity. A commodity is considered an economic good or services. So when it comes to investing commodities, you will be looking at things like precious metals such as gold, silver, and platinum. And another commodities also include crude oil, natural gas, ethanol, corn, soybeans, wheat, cocoa, coffee, sugar, and etc. So you can also invest in commodities and also invest in cryptocurrency. These are the good. So I have actually never really talked about cryptocurrency on this site before, but it does belong in the top alternative investment. So I personally never jump into the hype, but that doesn't mean there is no value. Cryptocurrency has their own value. So you can also invest in cryptocurrency. So you can invest in additional alternative investment to consider. As I told you the above, that is crowdfunding, real estate, you can also invest in, but the 7 best alternative investment options you have. But if you want to go deeper, I have included 5 others that might intrigue you. So my information and knowledge on this are limited. So if you do consider any of this, definitely do your research to get high returns in future. And the 8th is tax lien. When a property owner fails to pay his or her tax, the municipality in which the property is located can sell it tax lien, the right to foreclose on a property when the owner has failed to pay tax. 9th is farmland. So you could okay this in a real estate, but it's a specialty that should be separated. I have never personally thought about investing in farmland, but it can be a good alternative investment. So invest your money in also farmland. 10th is jewelry. Investing in jewelry is another option to consider. However, this is not an easy choice. You have to know the market and other things to look for when jewelry is involved. If it does interest you, so I recommend this article. Then invest in jewelry and update continuously. Update today, tomorrow. Update yourself. So another one is storage unit. So again, you could consider this under the real estate category, but investing in a storage unit is another alternative investment. And the last one is stamps. So I know you might be thinking how is this still relevant, but it is still if you invest in stamps that are not those collectible ones that people snag as a hobby. So I told you the 12 best alternative investment. So I feel like this information will not sufficient you. So do your search and earn higher profit, guys. Thank you.